大家好，我是司徒建国，我在西藏自治区 Tibet Autonomous Region, and today I'm going to be travelling along possibly the world's most beautiful railway. Now in June of this year, the Lhasa Linzhi Tielu, or the Lalin Railway, was put into operation. So the roof of the world, Tibet, entered the era of the Fuxing-Haogoutie, or Fuxing high-speed trains. Fuxing trains now cover all of China's 31 provinces, municipalities and autonomous regions. And this line is being referred to as the Tuanjiexian, or the Unity Line, here in the Qinghai-Tibet Plateau. So I'm going to be travelling today from Linzhi, where I've been filming some shows. If you haven't watched those, go back and watch them, please. And I'm going to go travelling to the capital of Tibet, Lhasa. So let's go. So I'm in Linzhi and I'm waiting for my train. My train is actually at 12点10分. You can see up there, Linzhi 到日喀则. Rikadze is actually past Lhasa, so we're only travelling on the Lalin Railway, the Lhasa Linzhi Tielu. So we'll be getting off earlier, obviously. We are going to Rikadze later on, but first we're going to Lhasa. So let's go sit down and wait. So my train's arriving. You can see the train's running along Lalin Tielu, the green. So we've started our journey along the Lalin railway line, 435 kilometres in length in total. We're going to be travelling around about 160 kilometres per hour. The line went into operation in June of this year, specifically June the 25th. Now exactly a month after, by July the 25th, 106,000 passengers have been transported along the line. So that's around about 3,500 a day. That's a lot. Right, so it's really improved accessibility and traffic between Linzhi and Lhasa. Previously, if you wanted to travel between the two places by road, it would take just over 5 hours. But on the Lalin railway line, it's about 3 hours. So the speed of the journey is really being cut. And also, I'm going to get to see some beautiful scenery. It is raining today, but even though it is raining, it's still beautiful outside. We are going backwards, though. I should probably turn my chair around, which you can do on the Fuxing high-speed trains. I just don't know how to. I've just moved seats, actually. I found a seat which is unoccupied until Lhasa, so I'm going to be sitting here and it's going forwards now. And we're travelling at 149 kilometres per hour already, and we've gone through a tunnel. So along, out the tunnel. So along the Lalin Railway, there are in total 47 tunnels and 121 bridges, and it crosses the Yalong River 16 times. 16 times. Hello. What's your name? 抢巴扎西。去拉萨？看什么地方？在拉萨。布达拉宫，我也去布达拉宫。今天去还是明天去？今天去哦。如果是明天去，我们可以一起去啊。你多大？6岁。哇，6岁这么大。你经常坐这个火车吗？你第一次坐，你觉得怎么样？舒服。你以为我是美国人是吗？我不是美国人，我是英国人，我叫 Stu。Nice to meet you。啊，有点害羞是吧？小白大星，你喜欢巧克力吗？喜欢吃，那给你吧，试试。哦，不用谢。Right, we're out. Oh no, another tunnel. 47 in total. How many have we been through now? I'm going to go for a little walk around. So the weather's actually cleared up now, lovely and bright outside. The Lalin railway line is actually built between the valley of the Gangdi Mountains and Himalaya Mountains, and more than 90% of the line is 3,000 meters above sea level, and it covers some very complicated terrain. 大家觉得嘞？你是西藏人吗？你经常坐这个火车吗？第一次。你今天去哪？我们去开车到去哪儿？
就是
安徽
先到那个
哦，然后去安徽，你是在安徽上大学？
对
1年级的学生吗？对，
过去就大一。
你们俩好年轻啊！多大？之前如果你想去拉萨，那你会怎么去？
坐客车，坐很久才能到拉萨。
啊，几个小时？5、6个小时。期待上大学吗？什么专业的？
计算机。
计算机？哇，厉害，厉害！你们是当地人吗？
我们不是的。
不是当地人，是游客。
对对对。
啊，你是哪里人啊？
我们安徽的。
安徽的，下一站就是拉萨吗？这是你第一次坐这个火车是吗？
第一次坐这个车。
你觉得怎么样？
可以啊，挺干净的。
啊，在拉萨你打算去布达拉宫是不是？
对对，很神奇哎。
是。
我们两个是自由行，我们自己来的。我们那边人回家叫我们不要来。
为什么？
一个是高反。
哦。
还有讲这边可能不安全。
不安全。
但是我们来了以后觉得
非常安全，非常安全。但是高原反应真的是一个。
我们好像目前还好。
也有反应。
啊，对，所以
还有。
是。啊，我身体肯定不行。我拉萨我有点担心。
看你的身体很好。
哪个国家？
英国
哪地方？
伯明翰附近，知道伯明翰吗？哦，没去过。
好漂亮，我去 P 一下。
不用 P， 已经很漂亮。So as I mentioned in my previous travel videos in Lhasa is one of the lowest areas in Tibet. Lowest altitude, around about 2,900 meters above sea level on average. And Lhasa is on average around about 3,650 meters above sea level. Now I had a pretty bad reaction in Lhasa, so hopefully my time in Lhasa will be better. I'm hoping that I've acclimatized, but I'm guessing I still might have some bad effects. So there's about an hour left until we arrive in Lhasa. The weather outside, lovely, and probably most important of all for me, I haven't got any altitude sickness yet. So we've just arrived at Shannan station along the Lhasa, Shannan, Lhasa tourism loop. So a lot of tourists will stop off at these 3 cities. As you can see, a lot of people getting on, well, not behind me, but in front of me, lots. Beautiful weather outside. I'm kind of stuck at the moment. So I've arrived in Lhasa. I've travelled the entire 435 kilometres along the Lalin-Tielu. Set out at 12:10. It is now about 3:49 according to the clock up there. So a little under 4 hours. Right, let's go explore Lhasa.